right, Jason here. We're gonna get ready right now. Here's my brother. There he is. We're getting ready for our trip here. We're gonna be hitting the, we're gonna be hitting a river that we hope is not too blown out. Our luck has been not so good lately, but it's a beautiful day. So whether or not, it's blowing out or not, the water clarity is good. We'll still have a good time. We got my brother's boat. Okay, got the fly craft all ready to go. And wish us luck on the river.
All right, got a fish on here. Jason just hooked up on something. Bull. Let me reel in, I'll go help him out. It is now, it wasn't before, I thought it was.
I'm gonna go down.
All right, I got one on. This one's a bull, I'm pretty sure. It's fighting like one. He's a nice one though. It's hard to tell sometimes if you get stuck in that current. No, that's a, oh no, that's a, no, I think it's a bull. Definitely a bull. Nice fish, Jace.
Nice. First bull. Bottom fly, we'll look at it in just a second if we get it.
All right, got a rainbow on. It's a decent one. Got him on the bottom fly, which we'll look at in just a second if we can get him in the net. Yep. Beauty little fish there.
Little lower lip hook.
Here, I'll give you this, Deb. Do you have your camera on?
Yeah.
All right, let me get this out of the way. You guys can see him, nice fish. All right, let's good.
All right, day 2 on the river. Yesterday was just okay, a couple fish. Hoping to get some more today. Great spot, as you can see. There's there's my brother getting ready. Here's the spot, first hole, pretty epic. There's Andrew up there, mountains in the background. So anyway, we'll keep you posted.
Bull? All right, Master Jason's got another bull on. Yeah. I wonder if it's the same one that bumped it. Gotta get stuck in that current. hug it.
Same one that bumped it.
Probably. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can get an underwater shot of that. That should be a cool shot. See the beauty.
Hey everybody, Trout Twins here. Evening time. We're cleaned and showered and resting. So I'm just going to show you the flies that caught the fish on this trip. The one that is the money fly right now for the bulls, this guy right here. You can kind of see it's under the water. It's just a killer. It's got a lot of crystal and a lot of flash. It's got two beads that just kind of, when this wraps around it, just kind of shimmers in the water. We're still debating on the name of this. One of them is John Wick.
I think that's pretty
the John Wick.
Or the
Poltergeist, something like that. We had a nymph set up that caught some fish. This guy was on the bottom. Okay, right here, which is this is kind of a strange fly because it's almost like a mini
you tied all these, right?
Mini streamer. I did not tie this one.
You did not tie that one.
No. It's got a head. It sinks super fast. We put this on the bottom. And then this is one I tied. This is a, what do you call this one? The torch? This is a Lance Egan fly that I basically copied from him. Orange tungsten bead on the front, little orange tail on the bottom. I think he calls it the blowtorch, if I remember right. Yeah.
We were stuck with the
so that these flies caught, and then the classic Dalai Lama, which is here. This one caught a few fish as well. So these are the flies that went after the rainbows and the bulls. Yeah, that's it, guys. Had a great one. Give them a try. This one though, you can't find. This is a McWhorter special. We still are working on the name. All right, guys.
Peace out.
Have a good one.